Well, 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 we meet again, my boils and ghouls. Today we are getting Beetlejuiceified, okay? I'm turning myself into a glam Beetlejuice, super glam. So I'm starting off with doing my eyebrows, and I was getting frustrated because I could not figure out the shade so that it matched the wig that I had. I was getting so frustrated, but I ended up just using two eyebrow pomades from Kat Von D, or KVD Vegan Beauty, my apologies. And then I also used a KVD Vegan Beauty lip liner in Lemmy Green just to add a little depth to the brows, and I also put some brow gel in there just to hold them in place. I wanted them to be super green. And now I'm taking my P. Louise base and I'm just cleaning up the edges underneath and above just to make them nice and sharp, and also taking that base and putting it all over my eyelids. Oof, looking pasty. And I'm going in with this NYX Cosmetics Primal color. This is just their lime green one, and I'm using this to start the contour process. I go in with a lot of shades for the contour process because I don't want it to just be one shade of green. I wanted it to have a lot of definition and depth. So I'm just starting with this shade, and I'm kind of doing it messily, doing a messy contour, you know, so it kind of mimics moss almost, but we get more detailed with that as we go. Taking that lime green shade from the Rouge Labs palette, and I'm just kind of popping that all over in random areas along my contour. And then to finish it off, I'm taking this gray shade from the Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Contour Palette Volume 2, and I'm just really defining the contour so it's nice and sharp. Using this P. Louise base, this is the Blank Canvas Acid Rain base, I am creating a very dramatic lower lash line, making it nice and pointed. And then I'm going in with this P. Louise base. I believe this is called Ecstasy. I could be wrong. I'll put it down in the description box though. And I'm just putting that below the blank canvas one. Also with the blank canvas, the one that I put like in my waterline, I set it with that same lime green shade from the Rouge Labs palette. And then I'm just really smoking out that lower lash line and connecting the lower lash line with my upper liner and making it very pointed in the inner corner. For lashes, I had these gym casket lashes that were like green, brown, and black. They were perfect. I was like, oh my gosh, what better lashes could I possibly use for Beetlejuice? Next, I'm going in with my Mayron Paradise paints. I'm just using a dark green and a brown color and the sponge, and I kind of picked at the sponge so that it would leave random marks and it wouldn't be too perfect. But basically, I'm just trying to mimic some moss here along my contour. And then I'm taking this lime green Mayron Paradise paint and I'm just adding that on top a little bit just to give some more definition and make sure there's some depth here. I'm taking these Tati lashes for my lower lash line, just adding a few just to give a little bit more drama because we could always use more drama. And then I'm highlighting my face with my Wet n Wild highlight and I'm just putting it on my cheeks and my nose. I popped on my wig and my costume from Leg Avenue. My wig is from Powder Room D. Yes, ma'am, and I teased it to the gods. I'm lining my lips with a dark purple lip liner and then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. It's a very bright purple. And then to top it off, I'm using this Milani lipstick from their new Halloween collection. Oh my god, this is stunning. Watch, look, watch. Oh my god, look how beautiful that is. I was so stunned when I was putting it on. I was like, holy crap, and it's so pigmented. So stunning. A+. Taking some lovely cockroaches that I got from Spirit Halloween and my super glue lash adhesive from Makeup a Murder. I'm just popping some cockroaches on, just one on my face and one on my thigh, and put one in my hair. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. What is Halloween without Beetlejuice? I have to do a Beetlejuice look. It's just one of the most fun looks to do, and it's so versatile. You can really do so many things. So if you want to see other Beetlejuice looks, just go back onto my channel and check them out. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.